This guide will help you troubleshoot and potentially enable lag spikes in FIFA 24 for a better gaming experience. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Step 2. Adjust game settings. Go to the game settings and lower the graphics quality. Reducing settings like resolution and texture quality can help improve performance and reduce lag spikes. Step 3. Optimize network settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service (QoS) to prioritize gaming traffic. This can help reduce lag by ensuring that your gaming data is transmitted first. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching FIFA 24, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help minimize lag during gameplay. Step 5. Update drivers in game. Make sure your graphics drivers in FIFA 24 are up to date. Regular updates can fix bugs and improve performance, which may help in reducing lag spikes. By following these steps, you should be able to manage lag spikes in FIFA 24 more effectively. Enjoy your gaming experience.